Hello, I'm Patrick Miyaki, and I provide legal advice to public agencies in California by helping them achieve their policy and business objectives by figuring out a way to say yes to their questions. Every month, I will be answering a legal question relating to governmental agencies. Now, on to this month's question.
Pat, our agency provides retail water service, and with the drought conditions, we're considering declaring a water shortage emergency and adopting water use restrictions. What procedures do we need to follow?
That is a question that most water agencies are considering or are in the process of considering given the historically dry conditions we're in right now. The statutes that apply to most water purveyors in California are Water Code sections 350 through 359. Your agency must follow these basic procedures. Set a public hearing where customers can protest the declaration of a water shortage emergency and present their needs to the governing board. Publish a notice of the public hearing in a newspaper within the service area at least 7 days before the public hearing. Hold the public hearing and consider protests and comments given by the public. And after the public hearing, your governing body may declare a water shortage emergency and must adopt water use restrictions and regulations that will conserve water supply for the greatest public benefit with particular regard to domestic use, sanitation, and fire protection. Water agencies should also look to the authority that may be granted in their enabling legislation. For example, county water districts have specific statutory authority to restrict water use in an emergency caused by drought or water shortages. The procedural requirements are set forth in California Water Code sections 31026 through 31029. I recommend following the procedures of all applicable statutes without duplicating any of them in a consolidated schedule to get the benefits and authorities granted by all the applicable statutes. Please note that I only addressed the statutes that apply to declaring a water shortage emergency and adopting water use restrictions. There are different requirements for considering and adopting drought water rates. Thanks for listening. If any of you have any questions, please email them to me and we will consider them for a future segment of A Few Minutes with a Public Agency Attorney. We're adjourned until next month.